I ain't gon' say too much. When a nigga speaking on that hot shit, fuck the police, cause them bitches ain't gon' stop shit. I was this man, if they play, they get involved. Flies nigga in the game.
Life without you been feeling kinda strange. Well, I see that you doing very well. You looking very well. I miss the way your perfume smell. I miss the way that you blowed up my line just to make sure that I'm feeling.
Alright, you guys, so we are packing for Miami right now. I did dye my hair as well for Miami. We were just getting ready for Miami. Yeah, I will not be putting nails on these three. I don't like that, but these nails are very damaged, so they're growing right now. And I don't want to damage them any further. I don't want to put anything on top of them. They are like healing right now, so I'm not gonna freaking risk it or anything like that. I do have this side of my nails, so this side of my nails is probably gonna be in all of my like Instagram posts and stuff like that, stories. I'm gonna be holding my Starbucks drink, whatever it is, with this hand. Okay, yeah, I'm freaking doing that right now. But yeah, let's go ahead and pack for Miami. We need 7 different outfits. Actually, no. So one outfit, the first outfit is going to be like what I'm going to be wearing to the airport. And then, of course, the last outfit, once again, the plane ride. You guys will find out how long that is. But let's just go ahead and start packing. Let's just go ahead and start getting these outfits together. I'm very excited for Miami. It's my first time going there. So let's just go ahead and start. Bathing suits. Bathing suit number 2. So these are the bathing suits that I will be taking with me to Miami. We got a white one here, we got a cheetah one, and we have this cute red one that reminds me of like the Notebook kind of vibes. Alright, you guys, so we have our underwear right here. I have 5 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. No, yeah, 6, sorry. We're staying there for, well, the day that we fly in, right? It doesn't really count. I'm gonna have that underwear on. So I just go ahead and take 6. And then we have 3 different bathing suits, and then we need 6 different outfits. And then the one that I'm taking, obviously the first day, that one doesn't count. Alright, you guys, hi, I'm back. So we are just doing this right now. So we are packing. I found these little cute bags, you guys. I had them in storage, so I think they're very cute. And I'm just gonna put like some of my makeup in one of them. I'm gonna put my panties and my bras in another one. Things like that, you know. So undergarments and skincare products and makeup in one of them. So yeah, these 3 babies are gonna be used for that. These are just so freaking cute. And I also have these 2 right here. So we can only carry a backpack, you guys. No luggage whatsoever, just the carry-on. I have these 2 little ones right here. Once again, I will probably put the Victoria's Secret ones within this bag, and then I will have all of my clothes in here. Maybe I could put my shoes in here. I want to take a pair of sandals and then 1 pair of heels if I can. It's going to be very tight, you guys, but I will try to make it happen. And let me show you guys what we're working with. We have 2 different little bags here. So we have these 2 bags that I want to take. I don't think I'm going to take anything else besides these 2, and they do match with all of the outfits. Let me bring you guys down here to see the outfits that we're working with, and then we can start putting everything in the bags. Okay, so I have this little orange outfit here. I have this little cute 2-piece set here. It's an angel one, and then it's a skirt with it. And then I have 2 shirts with this pair of jeans that I don't know if I'm going to wear them yet. And I have 2 butterfly outfits here. Don't know if I will wear both of them. These are just like a couple of options. And then I have this little black piece set. I feel like this is definitely Miami vibes for me. And then I have this really cute, once again, it's very kind of thin. I'm trying to take like a lot of thin stuff. That is not going with me. And then we have underwears, socks, even though I highly doubt I'm going to wear socks much. 3 pairs of bikinis, and then we have, of course, our bags and those 2. So here's a little overview of what we are working with. All right. Okay, I folded up everything, you guys. There's two little piles here, and I'm gonna try to fit everything in there. So we have just landed, you guys, and this is the first hotel tour that I'm doing. This is the first one that we're staying at. We are going to be staying at a different one in Miami. So yeah, here I am. Here's a little first mirror. I love that they have a sink on that side, on the other side of the bathroom, and then they have the sink right here, of course, because honestly, when it comes down to trips and stuff, we do need two sinks, I feel like. Anyway, we do have everything, you guys. See there, it's already a little bit messy because we brought everything that we need. You know, we take care of ourselves here. We do skincare and self-care, okay? And then we have the bath right here, you guys. And then this is the entrance, and this is a big mirror right here. I really like this mirror. I already have some of my stuff in there. Alright, so here they have another mirror, you guys. This one is just very like small. I like it actually for pictures. It's good. And then here are the beds, and there's two of them, and I really love hotel room beds, you guys. They're just so freaking comfortable. They're just, yes. And then here is the fridge, and I actually thought they were gonna have a lot of stuff in here because they usually do have drinks or snacks and stuff like that, but they didn't here, so I don't know what that's about. Then they have a little safe right there, the TV, and then you guys have to see the view in the morning time, so I'm gonna show you guys that the next day. Two little chairs here, the bed here. So here we are. Good morning, you guys, and this is the next day, and this is what the view looks like. I absolutely love it. So we have a little lazy river and the pool, and there's a slide as well, and they have a jacuzzi as well. So it was pretty great, you guys, and I just love the palm trees, so love the view for this one. So this day we just had a little pool day, so we just spent some time by the pool. the next day, you guys, we got ready for Universal Studios Orlando. So we went to the adventure one, and I believe they have 2 to 3 parks in this one. I love the whole vibe to it, you guys. It reminded me of Back to the Future, the movie. Everything was like a comic book coming to life, so I was definitely loving it. Then we got some food, and if you guys know me, you guys know that I do love my plátano. So this was my plate, and then this is what my family got. Then I went ahead and got ready for Disney Springs. It was my first time here. Well, obviously it was my first time to all of these places. But yeah, so here is my outfit. And if you guys want to see some IG pictures, make sure you guys go check out my gram, because I did post some of these pictures on there. So make sure you guys go show some love to that. Right here we just got a little like tour of this like resort and stuff like that, so it's very, very nice, you guys. I love it. And then we went to Gatorland, you guys. You guys will see that. We went to Gatorland next. My first time there. Gators literally every freaking where. But I loved the experience. It was very different, you guys.
Slowly open it up. Get your pictures in while you can, folks. Let's give it up for Bryce.
Right here, you guys, it was so cute. We saw albino little alligator, and we also saw an albino turtle. And then the next day, I am getting ready for Disney World. We went to the Magical Kingdom one because the one that we originally wanted to go to, which was Star Wars, was sold out. So yeah, I love Disneyland overall, you guys, so I was so happy to be here. So we arrived at our second hotel room, you guys. So here's a little tour. So this is just the front entrance, and then we got here, and I actually prefer this one a lot better than the first one. Actually, no, not a lot better, but some things I liked from this one that I didn't really like on the other one. But here's a fridge, and then they did have some coffee and tea for us there. And then I really like the sink for this one, so that's kind of what I like for this one, but I do not prefer the mirror for this one. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like. This is the bathroom. I also kind of feel like this one was not as clean as the first one, you guys, but I don't know, that's just me. And then here's like the little office space, you guys. There's also 2 TVs in this specific hotel room that we stayed at, and then there are 2 beds. So this one, you guys, did have a view of a beautiful, beautiful big lake. So I really did like that. The last 2 days we spent, you guys, at Miami Beach, and it was absolutely beautiful. There's just so much to freaking do. Like, you would not get to do every single little thing. This is just the only footage that I was able to get, you guys. We saw actual live fish in the water, and I saw a stingray. But yeah, definitely want to go back.
Ain't never been with a chick this bad.